Hi everyone, welcome to back the channel. Auto Rush 9. The year 2025 brings with it many innovations, and one of them is the arrival of the new Chevy Colorado. As Muslims, while we stay grounded in faith and simplicity, it is also important to recognize the blessings of modern advancements and how they can serve our families, communities, and the work of the Deen. The 2025 Chevy Colorado is one such advancement that offers practicality, strength, and purpose, yet traits that echo the values we admire in our own lives. Chevrolet has long been known for building reliable, sturdy trucks that can handle both work and family duties. The Colorado is no exception. First introduced years ago as a midsize pickup, it has steadily grown in popularity. The 2025 model brings a host of improvements both in design and function. But before we go deep into the specifications, let's take a moment to reflect. In Islam, everything we use, every tool or machine, is a means. It is not an end in itself. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us to be responsible with the resources we are given, and to use them wisely. With that mindset, let's explore what the new Chevy Colorado offers, not as a luxury, but as a practical vehicle that can aid in our daily lives. The new Colorado features a bold and modern exterior. With a redesigned front grille, more muscular body lines, and refined aerodynamics, it looks strong yet sophisticated. This kind of exterior presence is helpful for those who need a vehicle that represents reliability and durability, whether you're going on long-distance travel, delivering goods, or simply managing family affairs. Under the hood, the 2025 Colorado comes with a 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. This engine is tuned for performance and efficiency, offering up to 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque in its higher trims. For many of us who travel between cities, villages, or even remote areas for work, DIY, or family, such a capable engine can make the journey smoother and safer. And safety, as we know, is part of our trust in Allah and our responsibility in planning. The 2025 Colorado comes in several trims, including Work Truck, LT, Z71, Trail Boss, and ZR2. Each is designed for a different kind of user. The Work Truck is basic and affordable, suitable for someone who uses the truck strictly for practical reasons. Perhaps a Muslim farmer, builder, or delivery worker would find this ideal. On the other hand, the ZR2 is a serious off-roading machine. If you live in areas with rough terrain, or use your vehicle to access messages in remote areas, or support humanitarian relief efforts in challenging environments, the ZR2 can handle that without compromise. But a truck isn't just about strength. It's also about how it serves your family. Islam emphasizes the importance of family ties. Allah has commanded us to uphold and care for our relatives. A vehicle like the Colorado, with its spacious interior and advanced comfort features, allows us to travel together, attend Jama prayers, visit loved ones, or make Umrah preparations as a family unit. Inside the cabin, the Colorado has undergone a major upgrade. The dashboard is modern and clean, featuring a digital driver display and an 11.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means you can listen to Quran recitations, Islamic lectures, or nasheeds on the go without needing extra cables. This can transform your time behind the wheel into moments of reflection and learning. Comfort has also been improved. With better materials, climate control, and quiet cabin insulation, The ride is peaceful. As Muslims, we value moments of quiet and thoughtfulness. Even when we drive, we can remember Allah, the Prophet,